Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make cooling tea or leong cha as we say it in Chinese. So why drink cooling tea? Basically, if you've been quarantined like the rest of us, then maybe if you've been relying on takeout food or you've had one too many ramen dinners, you might be feeling a little bit like ugh. So that feeling is called Yeet Hay. It's basically when you've had too much fried foods, salty food, foods high in cholesterol, foods that are too spicy. Those things can cause you to be Yeet Hay. And so we drink cooling tea to basically calm us down and to flush out all the yang qualities and kind of bring it back to, bring your body back into balance. So this cooling tea has a lot of yin qualities and that's good for us. So let's get started. Okay, this recipe is so simple. There's no measurements whatsoever. All you're gonna do is fill the pot up with water and then we're gonna get it to a rapid rolling boil and then we're gonna toss in all our ingredients. So usually I like to make quite a bit, so then that way I can store it in the refrigerator. Okay. We're gonna put it on high heat, and what you're gonna need is chrysanthemum tea. And chrysanthemum is amazing because you don't need too many. You just need a few bulbs, and this will actually flavor all of that water. Maybe just a few more. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to throw in some goji berries. Now, if you don't have goji berries, that's perfectly fine. Don't sweat. Basically, goji berries is just going to allow the tea to have a little bit more of a fruit flavor. But what I like to do is I actually just cut up some apples if I don't have goji berries. So I just cut up a few slices like so. And that just gives it a little bit of a sweetness. And then you also have a little snack too once you're done your tea. But I just throw that right in here. And that's it. My tea has been boiling for about 15 to 20 minutes now, and it's just about ready. If you like a little bit of sweetness, then go ahead and put in a bit of honey. I'm just going to put in about 1 tablespoon of honey. And as you can see, the color has changed quite a bit. It's now like a nice golden amber color. So nice. Has a nice light floral and fruity flavor, and I mean it's such a great tea to have after a meal or you know, before bedtime, but you can drink it like whenever you want to. Like sometimes I have it after a workout and it's just very hydrating and really nice. I hope you give this recipe a try at home. And can you do me a favor? Can you please click like and subscribe if you like this video? Until next time, my name is Kate. I'll see you soon. Bye.